Here's a little secret that too many people forget: not all research starts from scratch. Some of the most powerful insights are already out there, waiting to be discovered. Secondary research is the untapped goldmine that can save you time, money, and effort, and yet, it's often overlooked. When people think of research, they often imagine running surveys, holding focus groups, or interviewing customers. That's called primary research. But before you jump into fieldwork, there's another step that can give you a head start: secondary research. Secondary research, also called desk research, is all about using information that already exists. Reports, studies, statistics, articles, all of it adds up to knowledge you can access right now. And the truth is, in many cases, secondary research can answer half your questions before you even write your first survey question. Types of secondary research: industry reports published by consulting firms, market research agencies, and trade groups. These reports often cover market trends, competitive benchmarks, forecasts, and consumer behavior. Yes, some are paid, but many organizations release free summaries or white papers that are packed with insights. Academic studies: universities and journals publish peer-reviewed work on everything from consumer psychology to technology adoption. While academic language can be heavy, the evidence is rigorous and can help validate or challenge your assumptions. Government and public data: think census data, economic reports, or regulatory filings. These are often free, updated regularly, and reliable because they come from official bodies. Media and news outlets: articles, case studies, and trade publications provide fresh context on industry events, emerging technologies, and consumer trends. While not always as rigorous, they're useful for spotting what's happening now. Internal data: and don't ignore what's already in your own backyard. Past surveys, customer support logs, sales data, CRM records, these can be incredibly valuable and cost nothing to use. Evaluating source quality: now here's the catch: not all sources are created equal. Some are trustworthy, others not so much. So how do you separate gold from noise? Check who published it. A report from McKinsey carries more weight than an anonymous blog post. Check the date: markets change fast. A 3-year-old report may already be outdated. Check methodology: good research explains how data was collected. If the how is missing, be skeptical. Cross-check with other sources. If multiple independent reports point to the same trend, it's probably valid. So, how do you actually use secondary research? Think of it as the foundation for your primary work. For example, if government data shows steady growth in online grocery shopping, you don't need to ask people if they ever shop online. That's already answered. Instead, you can focus your survey on how often they shop, or what barriers stop them from shopping more. Secondary research makes your primary research sharper, leaner, and more focused. You're not wasting time reinventing the wheel, you're building on what's already known. We once worked on a project where the team initially planned to survey hundreds of people about smartphone adoption in rural areas. But before field work began, we looked into secondary sources. Government telecom data already showed the adoption curve, and NGO studies explained usage patterns. With that knowledge, we cut the survey length in half and focused only on the gaps. The result? Faster, cheaper, and far more targeted insights. So here's the bottom line: start every research project with a secondary scan. You might be surprised how many questions you can answer before spending a single dollar on new data collection. Secondary research saves time, saves money, and builds a stronger foundation for everything that follows. It really is the untapped goldmine, and the smartest researchers know how to dig. Keep learning, keep shining, and remember, sometimes the best insights come not from asking new questions, but from discovering the answers that are already waiting.